Welcome to my channel, FS Tech Lab. In this video we will install Windows 11. Before you begin, download the ISO from the Microsoft website and burn the ISO image on bootable media. Power on the system and insert the bootable media. Once the system boots from the media, press any key on the keyboard. Select your preferred language to install and your preferred time. Click Next. On keyboard selection window, click Next. On the setup option, windows two options are displayed. One is for installing the Windows 11 operating system and another is for repairing the existing installation. Select the first option, install Windows 11, and check the box before I agree everything will be deleted. Click Next. On the product key window, enter the Windows 11 key if you have it. Otherwise, click I don't have the product key. Here multiple Windows 11 editions will be listed, including Windows 11 Home, Professional and Education. I will select Windows 11 Professional. Click Next. On the License Terms window, click Accept to proceed. On the disk selection window, select the disk on which you want to install the operating system and click Create Partition. Enter the desired disk space and click Apply. Once the disk partition is created, select the disk with primary partition type and click Next. Click Install to start the Windows 11 Professional installation. Select your preferred country and click Yes. Select your preferred keyboard and click Yes. Click Skip on additional keyboard page. Type in your preferred computer name. Click Next. On the account setup page, select Setup for personal use if the system is personal, and if provided by your company, select Setup work or school account. Select Setup for personal use and click Next. On the Microsoft Experience page, click Sign In. On the Microsoft account page, I am clicking Create One for a new ID. You can use an existing one to sign in. On the new Microsoft account page, click Get a new email address. Type in your desired email ID and select the account domain you want from the drop-down. Click Next. On the account password page, type in your new password. You can uncheck the box next to Information Tips and click Next. On the account name page, type in your first name and last name. Click Next once you have entered your name. Select the country and your birth date from the drop-down and click Next. On the Security Info page, type in your secondary email ID and click Next. Solve the security questions and click Submit. Click Create PIN. Set 4-digit numeric PIN for your device and click OK. In the privacy settings, I am unchecking all the settings. You can decide as per your requirements. Click Accept. On the Setup PC page, select Setup as New and click Next. On the Customize Experience page, I am clicking Skip. You select your desired options and click Accept. On the Use Your Phone page, I am clicking Skip, but it is better that you install Authenticator app on your phone and set up two-step authentication. Click Skip. Click Accept on the browser settings page. On the Microsoft 365 page, I am clicking Decline. If you want to purchase and install Microsoft 365 Family Pack, click Continue. Click Next. If you want to purchase Game Pass, click Join for $11.99. I am clicking Skip. The system will finish the setup and sign in with your newly created Microsoft ID. The Windows 11 setup is now complete. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos.